Still typing the same reply for the 10th time today? Every minute spent rewriting the same greeting is a minute your customers are waiting. Canned responses in Zendesk. Messaging let you send consistent quality replies in seconds, and in this video we'll show you how to set them up. Handling dozens of conversations daily while typing the same greetings, apologies, and troubleshooting steps from scratch creates inconsistent messaging and longer wait times. Repetitive typing isn't just tedious, it burns out your best agents. Zendesk has 3 tools that overlap but serve different purposes. Macros combine a reply with ticket actions like status changes and tags. Saved replies are text-only message blocks. Template messages are for chat and WhatsApp, supporting rich formats like carousels and quick replies. Teams report significant response time drops just by implementing well-organized macros. The benefits go beyond speed, consistent quality across all agents, near-instant first replies in live chat, and new hires who produce great responses from day one using approved templates. Head to Admin Center, then Workspaces, then Agent Tools, then Macros. You need administrator permissions to create team-wide macros, but personal macros are available to every agent. Once you're in, click Add Macro to get started. Fill in 3 key fields: the name, the availability setting, and an optional description. The name determines how findable your macro is, so use a consistent format like category, purpose, audience. For example, technical, password reset, all customers. A single macro can combine multiple actions at once. Add a public reply for the customer, an internal note for your team, and a ticket action like changing status to pending, all triggered with one click from the ticket interface. Zendesk uses liquid markup for dynamic variables. Key ones include ticket requester name, ticket ID, and the agent's own name. Always include the customer's name. Generic openers like "Hello valued customer" break trust immediately. Inside any live ticket, click Apply Macro, search by name or category keyword, and click to insert. Always personalize the draft before hitting send. Macros are a starting point, not a finished reply. A well-organized macro library covers greetings, acknowledgements, clarifying questions, technical support, apologies, billing, out-of-hours responses, closing messages, and escalations. One category per team role keeps agents from scrolling through macros that don't apply to them. Creating macros is the easy part. Keeping them findable and current is what separates effective teams from chaotic ones. Use consistent naming, restrict macros by team, keep chat replies under 30 words, and run quarterly audits to retire duplicates and fix broken links. Eesel AI Copilot works inside Zendesk to draft context-aware replies based on the customer's actual message, your knowledge base, and past resolutions. Instead of searching through 50 macros for the closest match, agents get a ready-to-send draft that learns from every edit. Ready to respond faster without compromising quality? Eesel AI integrates directly with Zendesk to draft responses that learn from your best past interactions. Try it free for 7 days, no credit card required. Visit www.eesel.ai to get started.